Hey eaters, I know y'all see that title today, and we're going to be doing a special dessert that is quick and easy, and my wife eats it all the time. So let's dig in. Only these simple ingredients, especially for the ingredients off the box, is recommended. And all we did is add a little butter to the graham crackers to make it real nice, like graham cracker crust. And then we made the pudding, the vanilla pudding, and scooped it in the cups. Make sure you take your time and have fun with this. Take any cereal, any type of added you want to add towards the middle. Throw some more crumbs on top, and there we go. A nice cup, delicious. Flabzos. And always remember to keep cooking, keep smiling, and keep that fusion spirit alive. Because like we do, baby, we always love to eat. See y'all next time.